When an oven self-cleans, it heats up to 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit, which burns off the food and grease residue inside the oven. For protection, the oven door will lock during every self-cleaning cycle. First, the door position switch needs to be pressed to verify that the door is closed. Next, the motor energizes, turning the lock. This presses the door lock switch, which signals to the control board that it's safe to self-clean. Now, if the door position switch, the motor, or the door lock switch fails, it will prevent the oven from self-cleaning. Each component can be easily tested for continuity with a multimeter. You can learn more in the video linked below. Now, if the door stays locked and isn't opening, then it's likely that the door lock motor failed partway through the self-cleaning cycle. You can learn more in the videos linked below. For more troubleshooting videos on water heaters, furnaces, and appliances, then subscribe to our channel. And if you need help, you can call or visit our neighboring location to talk with our knowledgeable staff. Thanks for watching.